So on the bench today, we have a older Poulan 2025 Super Clean. This one has a 16-inch bar. The chain is in nice shape, but will need to be sharpened. This saw has a new fuel line, new fuel filter, new primer bulb, new air filter. Sharpen the chain, and you're ready to go. Idles nicely, carburetes smoothly, a great saw for the camp, the backyard, or the beginning of your personal collection. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this saw right now at a ridiculously low price in our eBay store. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.